You sleep 8 hours, you drink your coffee, but by 2 p.m., you still feel like a zombie. Why? The answer isn't more sleep. The answer is a chemical in your brain called adenosine. Think of your energy like a bathtub. Every minute you are awake, your brain drips a chemical called adenosine into the tub. The fuller the tub, the sleepier you feel. Sleep pulls the plug and drains it, but most of us have a clogged drain. Here's how to fix it. Step 1. The solar trigger. Your brain doesn't know it's morning until sunlight hits your eyes. If you wake up and look at your phone in the dark, your energy clock never starts. Get 5 minutes of sunlight before you look at a screen. It sets your cortisol rhythm for the whole day. Step 2. The 90-minute rule. This is where everyone messes up. You drink coffee immediately. Caffeine doesn't remove the tiredness, it just pauses it. If you drink it too early, the tiredness comes back double at 2 p.m., the infamous afternoon crash. Wait 90 minutes after waking up. Let your brain clear the morning fog naturally before you caffeinate. Step 3. Ride the wave. Your brain isn't designed to focus for 8 hours. It works in 90-minute cycles called Ultradian Rhythms. After 90 minutes of focus, you will hit a wall. Don't fight it. Take 5 minutes to stare at a wall or close your eyes. It resets your focus bar to 100%. Step 4. The oxygen shot. Need energy right now? Do the physiological sigh. 2 sharp inhales through the nose, 1 long exhale through the mouth. It physically pops open the air sacs in your lungs and dumps carbon dioxide. It is biologically impossible to stay sleepy if you do this 5 times. Energy isn't luck, it's biology. Light first, caffeine later, rest often, breathe deep.